Hey YouTube world, Trev here from Monthly Missions. I'm just at my second Etobicoke Airbnb, and I thought I'd do a final walkthrough with you guys. This place it was 55 a night, but 55 a night with cleaning and with taxes and everything. It's pretty tiny, but you'll see. It's clean. I'm getting ready to leave, so and there is my car in the background, the white loaner. Mercedes loaner. We'll get to that in another video. What a beautiful car that is. I'm not really a Mercedes fan, but that is a freaking race car. 500 horsepower race car. It may not look like it, but will you see. Watch my next video. I'm going to end this whenever I show the Airbnb, but then, yeah, I'll give a little bit of a tour in this loaner car that I have. It's a drop-top convertible, and it just wants to go. The rear wheels are like a foot wide, and it just wants to freaking fly. It just wants to go. But yeah, this is my Airbnb. So there's a couple rooms up here. I heard a Chinese couple arguing from behind the door last night. It's like, oh my God, are they living in a closet? Little fridge, microwave here at the door. Really steep stairs. So that's the bathroom, that's my room number one. Then there's room number two, room number three. Bathroom. It's clean. Hey YouTube world. So this was very cheap. Very cheap. TV up there. They haven't even removed the cling film. Cheap little TV though. I got this place because I said it had air conditioning, but it's been 80, 90 degrees all night. I've had this fan going. Decent little closet, more blankets, pillows. I've been seeing people are getting divorced and turn their family homes into Airbnbs. Somebody's going to end up with the house. Then they simply turn the bedrooms into Airbnbs. Put locks on the doors, numbers on the doors, and there you go, an extra income. But yeah, that's what you have for about 55 bucks I paid last night. But there you have it. There's my Airbnb. So I'm gonna sign out here. Trev from Monthly Missions, signing out. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up whenever you guys get a chance. I appreciate it. It helps the algorithm. Take care, you guys. Trev from Monthly Missions, signing out.